and I want to hear from you. From all that I've been sharing for the past 8 weeks, what is your take home now? Have you developed your strategy? Do you have it mapped out? What is your risk plan? What is your trade plan? I need to know now. I need you to unmute, and I will be calling name, Mr. Adetayo. Let's hear you, sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
And good evening, everyone on this call.
They are hearing you.
Okay, so, basically, I've actually been an investor for some 5 years. So I just need to
Wow.
get as an investor, just buy, hold, and once I see that to like sell parts, and so that has been I've not had any strategy. So for this training has been an eye opener. Firstly, I want to appreciate you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For the training, and so my take home from the training was basically I was kind of able to identify in terms of my strategy. I was able to identify how to reach the chart. At least I can say yes. I've been able to identify, okay, this is my support.
Okay.
This is my resistance. Then also how to be able to spot trends.
Okay.
I thank God for those key indicators. That is the zigzag pop.
Okay, so you are going to be using zigzag now?
Yes.
Okay. And which other indicator?
The awesome oscillator.
Awesome oscillator, that's good. Awesome oscillator. Maybe if I have the time, I can still just explain the zigzag, because I use zigzag too. I use zigzag for my support and resistance. I will just quickly give us the strategy if time permits us. Thank you so much, sir. That's good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. All right. Who is next? Should I call name? Idea Pad. This Idea Pad 3. I don't know your name, sorry. This is what I'm saying here. Oh yeah, we are waiting now. I'll wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. Next person, Mr. Wolabi. Sorry. Please. Let's have.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, I have been investing for some time, but that I've been so careless with it.
Wow.
I got serious now through your teaching and some information through the Billionaires Club.
Okay. You are from my fellow billionaire. Thank you.
So I just got serious, and in fact, most of my dividends I didn't even bother to look at them.
Please be looking at them with your property.
Wally now.
Okay.
And but I've been for a long time. I've been involved in forex trading.
Okay.
Most times I just enjoy reading and
the charts.
But I want to say I'm so grateful to have come across you.
Thank you, sir.
Some things you teach me because I could relate them.
Okay.
It has even opened my hands to some things, especially valid points.
Okay.
And studying the candle.
Yes. Most importantly, candle.
Candle. So my strategy and what I have with me presently that I put down is using support and resistance.
Okay.
As in, with the zigzag.
Okay.
Then ability to use the trend line.
Okay.
At my 3 months and 1 month.
All right.
Then at 1 month or at my 1 week, I want to use FIFO standard to confirm my entry.
All right.
In combination with RSI.
Okay.
To know whether the stock is at overbought or oversold. and that's to be my exit and my entry.
Oh, that's
then
good.
you also made me to have a perfect understanding of Bodija Bank.
Okay.
So Bodija Bank now, that's another option for me. Bodija Bank pair with RSI.
Okay.
Of which last night I placed Bodija Bank on my chart, and I was looking at my support and resistance and looking at when it is closed at the upper bound and when it's also closed at the lower bound. Then I also observe what happens at the what's it called, the deviation point, the middle.
Okay, yes, okay.
Yes, I was able to back test and say something. So I'm more of, let me put these three into practice. In fact, this afternoon I sent some charts to you to help me look at.
Oh, I will check. I will check when I saw those charts, but because I was already in the meeting, so I can't check.
For a long time, I've been looking for that opportunity to see how stock is being traded on
Nigeria.
A chart. I mean, Nigerian stock on the trading view or whatever, and you have done that for me. I've never put anything on trading whatever as in execute any real transaction.
Okay.
But I know that if after now with your mentorship, I'll be able to do very well with it. That's my belief.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. I'm really, really, really happy with this feedback. All right, Mr. Richard, let's have you. Is Mr. Richard there? I'm not sure he's there. So, parabolic, sir. You see, if you give me one indicator